What's up guys, let's go ahead and check out an automated trading tool that could maximize your profit in any market. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so this is Smard. Landing page link will be in the description of the video. So as you can see guys, it says automated trading tool for maximum result in any market. So right now it is available for Binance, but they are very aggressive, and soon enough, as you can see here, they are targeting to be available on the following big exchanges as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out their website and see for ourselves, what are the things that I feel you guys need to know the most about this automated trading tool. So you can get up to 5% average monthly. So this is average. It could go up, it could go down. So depending on how the market goes. And overtakes Bitcoin and Ethereum, and 10% service fee on monthly basis charge on profits only, and not your principal or not your principal investment. Okay, so again, they are available for Binance, Binance US, and Binance Futures. So how to start? First, log in. Second would be find and select your exchange, and then supply your API keys and enter the amount that you want to trade, and then you could make the profit. So how does the algorithm of this automated trading bot goes? Okay, so fully automated, all parameters are already configured for you. It is long-term, and it's focused on long-term usage for months. Flexibility, you may continue using the account for other activities. They have the momentum effect, which the algorithm employs a momentum effect verified by fundamental literature, as well as a number of tried and tested techniques to increase the trading performance. You have detail, important, so all your assets remain under your control. Monthly billing, which is 10% of profit gained every 30 days. So this is something that you might want to go ahead and check out and explore. This might be something that could give you some good amount of money, especially now that crypto market is slowly to its healthy state. I hope it continues to head on to its bullish run. So let's click on view demo right here. So when you click on view demo, this is how it's going to look like. So when you click on details, it will show you this, and then you click on renew keys, you get all of the information right there. So it has a straightforward tutorial for you, that way you will not get lost when you start off. So when you click on start, supply all of the necessary information in there, and then you're off to a great start. So when you refer your friends, so share the link below with your friends to invite them to Smard and earn up to 10% from their commissions. So this is something, that a passive income also that would yield to additional profit for you. You put those referral links in your social media platforms, and your friends join, your family join, you would also be able to get commissions out of the profits that they get. Okay, some of the things that you could take note of about Smard is that it is a platform that currently is supported in Binance Exchange. So they have a lot of other big exchanges that are going to come very soon. You have Kraken, Deribit, KuCoin, Coinbase, DXDX, and I'm sure there will be a lot more in the next coming months or quarter. So next would be, based on the backtesting historical data of Smard, predicted a 70% profit from January 22 up until October of 2022. So due to the sharp decline of the value of the crypto market, Smard beats Bitcoin and then Ethereum by almost 300%. So if we compare the profitability of Smard at the beginning of 2022 to other major crypto assets, so their algorithm uses a momentum effect that is supported by academic research, as well as a number of time-tested strategies to improve your trading performance. So the key advantage of Smard is that you do not have to have that extensive experience in trading. Of course, it's always good to know the fundamentals, but if you're still in the phase that you are still trying to explore, trying to do that technical analysis and good stuff, this will be a good start for you to minimize your losses. Now, signing up up and starting trading is just a couple of clicks away for this. And all you need to do is to start to connect your Binance account via the API key. And as I showed you earlier, it has a very straightforward instructions on how you could connect your Binance into Smard. That way you could start your automated trading right away. Now, Smard is a technology provider and a trading enhancing tool that execute deals on your behalf. Starting at $1,000, Smard offers access to trading software. So you can also invite your friends to Smard and receive 10% on their commission. So send them the link provided to you in the referral program section, like send them over to your friends or your family that also would like to explore crypto trading. That way, you could help them out and gain some commission out of that. Check out Smard, guys. Link will be in the description of the video. Don't forget to always do your own research. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure to click that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way, when we upload new videos like this, you will definitely be notified. I will see you on the next.